You're actually gonna take the bet. You're gonna get that bud run off your ass.
Alright, Jeffy, I served your aunt. I didn't do that first. In 10 minutes, you're gonna have to turn off the water and take it back, okay?
What'd she say, Jimmy?
Something about getting the bathroom.
And play no secret, and ours not to tell. We are standing by the wishing well. Sound wishes that you should make, that's all you have to do. And if you hear it echoing, your wish will soon come true.
Jimmy, you tried so much.
I am wishing for the love of God to find me today. I'm hoping, and the nice things we have, the nice things you say, ha 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 ha. I'm wishing for the love of God to find me today.
Who that?
Oh,
Hello. Did I find you?
oh my God.